You might have heard of the term renewable energy. But what is renewable energy? And how can using it help fight against climate change? Let's start with the definition of energy and how we use it in our daily lives.
Energy is very important in our daily lives. Energy is necessary for us to move around and make us do work. For example, we need energy to do anything, like travel around the world or play tennis, or even study for tests. Essentially, we cannot survive without energy. So where does energy come from? There are two types of energy, non-renewable energy and renewable energy.
Most non-renewable energy comes from burning fossil fuels, including petroleum, coal, and natural gas. However, since these energy sources are non-renewable, that means that they'll eventually become exhausted. Burning fossil fuels generates energy, but it also causes air pollution and climate change, damaging our health and the environment.
On the other hand, renewable energy comes from natural resources that naturally replenish. Some major sources of renewable energy are solar energy, wind energy, and geothermal energy. Clean energy is a little different from renewable energy because it's carbon-free energy that releases minimal or no gas emissions. Since most forms of renewable energy create little to no gas emissions, renewable energy and clean energy are often used interchangeably.
One easy and cheap way to reduce pollution and make our Earth more sustainable is to switch to a clean energy provider. For example, Silicon Valley Clean Energy provides clean electricity for residents across Silicon Valley, accelerates electric technologies, and reinvests locally. Clean energy providers such as SVCE reduces the use of fossil fuels, which limits greenhouse gases, emissions, and prevents climate change.
I'll be demonstrating two forms of renewable energy. The first form of renewable energy is wind energy. Wind energy is generated by windmills and wind turbines from the wind currents in the sky. In this experiment, I have a mini wind turbine and LED lights. I'll start by plugging in the wires to both the wind turbine and the LED lights so that the electricity can flow into the LED lights. Then I'll use a fan to simulate the real wind currents that we see in today's sky. As you can see, the wind energy generated by the mini wind turbine was converted into electricity and made the LED lights light up. The second form of renewable energy that I'll be demonstrating is solar energy. Solar panels convert the sunlight from the sun into solar energy. In this experiment, we'll be using this mini solar panel and the same LED lights that we used in the last experiment to show how solar energy can be converted into electricity. To start, we'll connect these wires to the solar panel so that the electricity can flow from the solar panel to the LED lights. Then we'll turn on this lamp, which will simulate the sunlight that we have in real life. Next, I'll place this solar panel right under this lamp. As you can see, the LED lights lit up. The planet needs your help. Your choice of energy can help make our environment cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable. So switch to renewable and clean energy today.